Hello and welcome to another Void XRC video. Today I'll just be unboxing the WL Toys Wild Warrior truck. Let's just get a look at the box before we get started. Not too much on it. Alright, let's just get this box open. Instructions, tool, alright, which way does this open? Got the radio here. The radio. Takes 6 AA batteries. There we go. That's real soft suspension. Well, I thought I should give you guys a comparison with Fiu Eagle 3. So let's just get that done here. As you can see, there's pretty good size difference in these two vehicles. This also has a 2-speed transmission, which is quite nice. Tires are definitely more sticky than the Fiu over here, that's for sure. See how the nice solid chassis, no flex in there at all whatsoever. That's nice. As you can see, it's got a Dean's connector. Nice twist there. So as you can see, here's the battery tray. It's not the biggest battery tray ever in the world, but it looks to be a decent size, and since it's a brushless vehicle, or a brushed vehicle, shouldn't chew through the power too bad. It is what claims to be waterproof out of the box. I do like how they've got thick, solid front suspension arms here. Let me try that again. I like how they have thick, solid front suspension arms here. Shouldn't break too easy. That's nice. I really can't wait to get this truck out and running on the trails. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the WL Toys Warrior Wild Truck. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.